Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video we're going to talk about this Telegram airdrop bot and its new features. So we have been mining on this bot for a long time now. This is an airdrop, but finally they added a new update whereby you can mine tone and withdraw from me. So you don't really have to wait for them to launch their token. You can as well mine tone and you can withdraw. So how does this bot work? First of all, when you register with the link, the first one is for you to go to this hub, this place that is showing hot here. So when you click on it, that's where you can complete some tasks, get energy and hash to continue your mining. So these are the daily tasks which I've already done some. The daily check-in, you click on go. At the top here you will see it. At the top you will see it there. So you click on it, check in for the day. When you check in, you will get energy to mine more. Let's go back. So let's scroll down. This is where the miner, the airdrop or the token miner is. Here you can claim it, and this is the tone which you can mine and you can withdraw. You come here and claim it. So take note, what we are mining here is two things: their airdrop, their token, and the tone which is withdrawable. Basically we are earning in two ways on the bot, the token and the tone. So in few days, that's June 29th, they will launch the token, so you can now withdraw it. How do you withdraw the tone? If you claim, not the token or the tone that we are mining, you can go to your profile. When you go to your profile, this is the location of the tone and this is their token. This is the tone and this is where the token is. So you can just click on withdraw. Their minimum withdrawal is 0.02 if you want to withdraw their tone. If you want to withdraw the tone, so it's 0.02. So I don't have 0.02 yet. If you have tone keeper, spender, anything, any app that you have that has tone address, you can copy it, paste it and make your withdrawal. So that's how this bot work, and the withdrawal takes 24 hours, which it might not reach. This is how. Another thing, you can invite friends to boost your mining. When you click on friends, you can copy your referral link, send to your friends. It will give you more hash power to boost your mining. So when you register, mine, activate your tone mining, complete your task, invite friends. When you register new, they will give you a free case to open. You can come to the case and open your free case. When you reach the minimum withdrawal, you withdraw your tone. The token will launch on the 29th of June. So thank you for watching up to this hour. If you are new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button, like. If you have any question, you can drop your question. Join my Telegram channel for more information on this bot.